My dear students, a very pleasant good morning to one and all. Myself Sukhvinder Kaur from DIPS Institution. Today we will study the back exercises of the chapter 10, that is noun clauses. So let's start from the first exercise. Identify the noun clauses and circle the main verbs in the sentences. State the grammatical function of the noun clauses. A part. I don't know what Rob was doing in that dark room. So here I don't know is the main clause. And what Rob was doing in that dark room is the subordinating clause. I is the subject, do not know is the verb. Rob is the subject, was is the main verb. So what I don't know is that Rob was doing in that dark room. So here we are talking about the Rob, that is a subject of the subordinating clause. So here the noun clause acts as a subject. B part. I think that he is going to be present at the meeting. Here I think is the main clause, that he is going to present at the meeting is the subordinating clause. I is the subject, think is the verb, and he is the subject of the subordinating clause and is the main verb. So here what I think is that he is going to be present at the meeting. So here the object he acts as a object of the verb think. So the noun clause acts as a object of the verb think. Now C part. Shruti asked me if I was going to come over. Shruti asked me is the main clause. If I was going to come over is the subordinating clause. So Shruti is the subject, asked is the verb, and me is the object. And in the subordinating clause, it acts as a object because they are asking if I was going to come over. So here the object is me. Me, and it is the object of the verb asked. So here noun clause acts as an object of the verb. Object is me. Object of the verb ask. D part. That hard-working people do not get recognized is a sad truth. Here that hard-working people do not get recognized is the subordinating clause. Is a sad truth is the main clause. So in the subordinating clause they are talking about a verb. Who will not get recognition? That hard-working people. So here the noun clause acts as a subject of verb. E part. I always knew I was going to scale Mount Annapurna one day. I always knew is the main clause. I was going to scale Mount Annapurna one day is the subordinating clause. So here what I knew is that I was going to scale Mount Annapurna one day. So here this subordinating clause, it acts as a complement of the subject I. So noun clause here in this sentence is as a subject complement. F part. Where is the palace? That is built in gold. Here where is the palace is the main clause. That is built in gold is the subordinating clause. So here the noun clause is that this subordinating clause is talking about the palace, which is the subject. And what is it made up of? Gold. So it means it is the complement to the subject palace. So here noun clause acts as a subject complement. G part. His father does not know what he plans to do. Here his father does not know is the main clause. What he plans to do is the subordinating clause. So his father is the subject, does not know is the verb. And in the subordinating clause, he is the subject, plan is the verb. So here the subordinating clause tells us about the what he is planning, about the verb no, about the verb no. So here the noun clause acts as a subject of the verb no. H part. Please do what I ask you to do. Please do is the main clause. What I ask you to is the subordinating clause. In the subordinating clause, I is the subject, ask is the verb, and you is the object. So I is asking from you to do something. To is here preposition, and something is the verb. So here the noun clause acts as an object of preposition. I part. That only 5% women pursue a career in science is distressing information. Here, that only 5% women pursue a career in science is the subordinating clause, and is distressing information is the main clause. So, what is the distressing information? Here, that 5% women is the subject of the subordinating clause, pursue is the verb. So here the subject noun clause acts as a subject of the verb pursue. J part. I don't think I know anyone who has a vintage watch. So here I don't think and I know anyone is the main clause. Who has a vintage watch is the subordinating clause. So I is the subject and don't think and know is the main verb. Anyone is the object. So here anyone is the subject of the noun subordinating clause. Okay, so here the noun clause, that is a subordinating clause, acts as a object. Students, this you note down in your grammar book, and the next exercise we will do later. So thank you.